Today, the 20th of April, I'm working on the stand for my combination brake, shear, and roller from Hobo Freight. Got the first side done. Well, not done. Once I get everything mounted, then I got to put in lateral bracing, and I still have to drill the plate for the casters. But here's my little setup. I'm working on the floor, which is tearing my knees up, something fierce, but I got a magnetic squaring fixture. It came with all the tools I bought from my electrician buddy. He bought a bunch of stuff at auction. And that one, I was within a 1/16 of an inch on my leg distance without having to go back and wedge the pipe so it goes up flush with the bottom of the angle iron. And I can show you these little bracing tabs I'm welding in. Makes it easy. Don't laugh at my welds. That's a little bracing tab right there. So instead of trying to weld the pipe to the angle up underneath here, which is damn near impossible, I just weld those little tabs in, a whole lot easier. And drill the holes in the angle for the mounting to the feet. So it's coming along. Of course, I want to paint it when I get done. I got a lot of red oxide primer. I'll use it first and then go back with my Ford blue, make it pretty. Figured out a way to lift this thing and mount my base to it without tearing anything up. I got a 1.5 ton chain fall. I'm thinking about going around this beam right here with a chain or a strap. Hook my chain fall up high. Use dual straps on my machine, one on each end and inside of the frame, and I should be able to safely lift it to get my base up underneath it to mount. That's my plan. We'll see how that works out. And I looked all over for my damn welding skull cap, and I can't find that son of a gun nowhere. I put it in that special place where I wouldn't lose it, and now it's lost. And I mean, I looked all over the damn place. I had at least 2 down here, I thought, but maybe I didn't. I don't know. And garden got a drink, got a fast blowing storm that dumped 3/4 inch of rain. Garden just sucked it right in. Temperature dropped 15 degrees in under 30 minutes. So front blowing in. And I had to turn on the exhaust fan to get the flux fumes out of here from welding, which means absolutely nothing, no big deal whatsoever. So, of course, the stand looks short because I still have to put the casters up underneath it. Then it'll be 30 inches tall to the base of the machine. Anyway, let me drink a swallow of coffee and get back to what I was doing. That's all for this one. Thank you.